Math Heuristics. The method of restating the problem. Let's look at an example. Shireen, Alina and Christine had 112 hair clips altogether. Alina had 4 times as many hair clips as Shireen. Shireen has half as many hair clips as Christine. How many hair clips does Christine have? The question mentioned that Shireen has half as many hair clips as Christine. This can be restated as, Christine has twice as many hair clips as Shireen. Shireen has 1 unit of hair clips. Alina has 4 units of hair clips. Christine's has twice as many hair clips as Shireen. Therefore, 1 unit times 2, which is 2 units. 1 unit plus 4 units plus 2 units equals 7 units. There are 7 units altogether, and these 7 units represent 112 hair clips. Seven units equals 112. 1 unit equals 112 divided by 7, which is 16. 2 units equals 2 times 16, which is 32. Christine has 32 hair clips. Thank you very much for watching our video. If you find this video useful, please help to like and share it. Do subscribe to our channel if you have not done so.